Welcome to patio-style living in Wildwing, Timnath at its best. Built in 2020, this 3-bed, 3-bath, ranch-style home enjoys modern farmhouse finishes, views of acres of park space, and is a stone's throw from incredible community amenities, including pickleball courts, a dog park, basketball court, and it's just down the road from the neighbourhood pool. Plus, you get access to recreation rights on Timnath Reservoir too. Welcome to 7008 Foxton Court, a well-maintained and beautifully cared for 3,000 square foot patio home. With an HOA maintained yard, stunning design finishes, and one of the best locations in the neighbourhood, this home is the complete package for a buyer looking for a lock-and-leave property in northern Colorado. Come on in. Thanks for joining me on this home and neighbourhood tour of 7008 Foxton Court. Reach out for a showing and with any questions. And if you enjoy these videos, please like, comment and subscribe.